Right now, oh yeah, I have soda in there. I forgot about that. It's probably flat now. The beast itself, the Xbox Series X. Like, oh yeah, you probably stuffed everything. That's why it looks so clean. You're 100% correct. Alright, so as you can see, the top ones, if you guys have any questions about them, they are RGBIC. It'll be the top link in the description. These are my most popular asked question and the most popular strips on the planet. They're really amazing, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, so this is what it looks like on full brightness. It is really bright. I also have an RGB bulb. Change gaming bulb to red.
Okay.
So yeah, I also have that one as well. And as you can see, this is a black and red color scheme. We're gonna start off with the entrance in my room. So this is my door right here. You can see I have some air fresheners, a little basketball hoop, as well as some acoustic foam panels. And then next to my door, the Anker Q30C vacuum. It cleans up my room every morning at 7 a.m. So before I wake up, basically I have a clean room, which is really cool. Very helpful. Highly recommend. I'll be doing a review on that in the future. Also have a poster right here of Advanced Warfare. I have to update that because it's really old. Next we have our little, I guess, entertainment section. We use this as like a home theater basically, because this is a couch as well as a bed. So I'm able to watch movies and stuff. I'm gonna upgrade this to a 4K TV. Right now this is a 1080p 60Hz panel that I believe is 32 inches. I'm gonna be upgrading it to a 43 soon because it's way too small. Anyways, right here as our main speakers, if you've seen my channel, I bash on anything that has bad quality. These are super good sounding and have the best bass. The Logitech X230 speakers. And then it also have a subwoofer right here. We have two dummy units for iPhone 12s. Right here we have an IR receiver for our RGB strips in the back. Right here on this side, there is a smart plug right here. I did a video on it. It's by GoSund. It's a 3 smart plug as well as 3 USB port that you can control. So I'm have everything connected: smart home, smart plugs, smart devices, and it's really helpful. Yeah, that's connected to non-Wi-Fi RGB strips. All right, from left to right, we have our Droid. This is C2B5, and then to the right of that, we have our Cozoo headphone stand, 3 USB ports, and 2 outlets on the back, held by our ARC 100s. We've had these for like 2-3 years now, and they are really reliable. They're really, really good, in my opinion, at least. Right here, we have blue light glasses. Here we have our Eufy controller, so you can basically just access everything. This is really helpful. Next to that, we have our Amazon Fire TV Stick. This is the Fire TV Stick Lite. We have just a generic keyboard. It was mainly because we have an Xbox One S down here. Above that, we have our Orbi Wi-Fi mesh router. Comes in a 2-pack. I don't remember the model number, but I'll be doing a review of that one as well. It's actually really helpful. That we have our Nintendo Switch Lite. Don't really use it. It's collecting dust right now. We have a phone stand with another dummy unit. This is a 20 Ultra. Yeah, it's not 20 Ultra. Our Google Home Mini. I ask it questions all the time when I'm doing homework because it is the smarter assistant of the two. Down here we have some of our remotes for the LED strips that we can control. So right here we have our bed ones, our ceiling ones, our TV ones, and then our drawers, which is right here. To the right we have our main gaming station, GT Racing, black and red gaming chair. It does have the footrest, which is really helpful actually and super comfortable. It also has Bluetooth speakers on the back for surround sound. Good to have. I don't use it though. Starting from the left side of the desk, we have our Divum Pixel Max. If you haven't seen my review of this, which not many people have, you can do customizable artboard. You can do whatever you want. Like literally you can customize it. Some of these are demo. This is one of them that I've found on one of the pages. They're also synced to music as well. Really cool. Highly recommend it. Only thing is that it's very expensive. The version I have right here is a 32x32 artboard and it's $70 to $80. Right here, we recently got our first laptop. Yeah, I know. Tech reviewer just got his first laptop. It's crazy. So as you can see, this is the Acer Swift. It has an IPS panel. It is 14 inches, I believe. I don't really remember the specs. I didn't study it because I didn't need to do a review on it. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM, I believe 500 gigabytes of storage. Ryzen 7, as you can see right here. Built-in Wi-Fi 6, fingerprint sensor, and a backlit keyboard, which is really helpful. It has fast charging, and the battery life is really, really good on this. It lasts about 13-14 hours on a single charge, and it charges extremely fast. I bought this recently. I'm getting a mouse pad tomorrow, but I bought this cheap mouse just because I need it. It's $12, a T16. Just have a LED makeup mirror technically. I use this occasionally. And then right here we have our Tech Reviews TV hat. Yeah, our merchandise will be coming soon. Hopefully we'll roll it out this year because the logo looks really clean. So yeah, that's gonna be my logo. The beast itself, the Xbox Series X. On the left side of it, we have Dwight Schrute from The Office, obviously. In the middle, we have our Xbox Series X controller. This one is customized. If you haven't seen that video, I recommend you go see it. I also have one for the PlayStation. Obviously, I'm a Star Wars fan. And then right here, you gotta stay hydrated. I have the Naiad tumbler. We have our Dyra DK61E 60% gaming keyboard, which obviously is RGB backlit. Here's our main controller. We just have a gel skin over it, but it's the blue and white one. For freaks, we got the Galaxy purple FPS ones. Sadly, they don't have hair triggers yet for the Xbox Series X. I hope they do make them soon because I really like it. As our main monitor, we have a 32-inch curved gaming monitor. It's a 200 hertz monitor. And then right here we have Gfuel Tropical Rain. I really like this. I just needed a shaker, which I did get. Should be arriving tomorrow. So I really like this so far. I recommend if you haven't tried Gfuel. In the middle, we have a LetsCom wireless charger. This is a 15-watt wireless charger. Grab my phone with wireless charging and then it'll charge. This is my school laptop, only for school. My school here and my work and editing and videos and all that over on this side. I know nothing's on, which I should have it on for presentation, but I really apologize for that. Type-C cable. This is usually if our controller dies, since it does use USB Type-C now. If it does die, or if I need to charge my phone or anything with USB Type-C, I have it right here. Really helpful. And then we have our Corsair RGB Harpoon Pro gaming mouse. Our Echo Dot 4th generation in the back. This is our brains of most of our operation. I haven't showed you guys these, but I wish I oriented the 2 here and then the 3 here. Kind of a no CD trigger, but anyways, yeah, I'm a big fan of Stranger Things, as you can see. And it goes with my color theme. We have some acoustic foam panels right here. They're in the diamond shape. Right here, we just have our last can of Gfuel. We're gonna have to order some more later. And then we have a desk cup holder. And then right here, we just added this. We haven't made a video on it yet, but this is our new desk. Yesterday, I believe. Convenient. And it looks really nice and fits in with the theme, as you can see, black. Same type of material as this one, which is really cool because they all match. It helps a lot because I have more room for my desk. And then going underneath the desk, we have quick access storage right there. Some notebooks for school, which I don't use because I don't like school. Air purifier, so much. It makes the air really clean. Just ignore this. Really good. And you can't even see it from a distance. As you can see, you can't really see it. It's harder with thinner desks because obviously it's really hard to hide a lot of cables. Yeah, it's routed with one. And then right here I have a smart plug, which I usually put my laptop here and then set a timer for it so it'll charge and do a little cycle. I have a whole build set up if you haven't seen this, so I'll go in more depth with everything I got. Everything on this side, the desk, links will be in the description on that video, so go check that out. I also have an Xbox Series X or the PlayStation 5 giveaway on that video as well. Right here we have a wireless charger. It's a 3-in-1. We can charge our AirPods, our phone, as well as our Apple Watch. And then our desk, as you can see, our little ring light. This is where our overhead shot goes. Our Blue Yeti microphone, pop filter, and then a boom arm adapter for the USB. This is the backdrop, just white paper. And obviously our unboxing knife. Underneath that, we have our trash can, and then in the back of that, we just have some trash bags. To the right of this, we just have some video equipment. So right here, we have our DJI Osmo Mobile 4. We just got this, and I might do a review on it soon. It's Anker Q30s, and then our tripod in the back for extra whenever we need it. Just a bag for carrying tech. It's full with tech right now. I need to give away. And then in the back of that, that's also tech I need to give away. Everything, we have our mini fridge with another Tech Reviews hat, obviously. Some candy. Rubik's Cube collection, obviously, because I like Rubik's Cubes. Arctic Fresh. Right now, oh yeah, I have soda in there. I forgot about that. It's probably flat now. Some water in here. Yeah, we finished basically everything, but I put water in there recently because I needed water. Our acoustic treatment. To the right of that, just our curtain and with our RGB strips. We do have 2 of them. We have a Wi-Fi and a RGBIC, so that's why there's 2 little cables as well as 2 IR sensors. Really quick, I'm not going to show everything over here, but power tower. And then that's connected to like RGB strips, my couch, and some other stuff. There are Novastel RGB strips. And then we have our shoe cleaning kit. In this, if you have white shoes, this is the best possible option out there. It's really cheap and it cleans amazingly well. The best I've ever tried. And then just some junk back there. Our futon, this is our futon. I didn't talk about any of the value in this video, but I guess you can calculate it if you really care. Somewhere around $5,000 to $7,000, I'm pretty sure. This is our couch slash bed. This is our pillow. I thought I'd recommend it, as well as cover up just the Royal Therapy with a silk pillowcase. If you're a gamer, video editor, or whatever, sleeping is the most important thing in your life. A pillow as soft as this that gives you the most rest, it's amazing. It's like you're in heaven. Yeah, I highly recommend that. I got that just a few days ago and it's the best thing. Here we just have our TV remote, our RGBIC, and it also has an app so you can control. Here, these are not AirPod Pros. I have different earbuds and I like having different ones with me and testing them out. The Oxium X2s. I do have AirPods. Right here we have Burt's Bees, Vanilla Bean, lip balm. I have a ton of chapstick, and our microfiber cloth. This is the blue one. I usually have black with it. And then right here we have our BASEUS 65-watt GAN charger. Currently it's hooked up to our Type-C to Lightning cable and our Type-C to Type-C cable. This is the braided cable. Some weights and our PC build stuff. In our closet, I know people are going to be asking about this. Like, oh yeah, you probably stuffed everything. That's why it looks so clean. You're 100% correct. So it's super scary in here. Probably like 1,000 spiders in here, to be honest. But yeah, it's like all my product reviews, and I like to keep boxes to keep them in mint condition. Or when I need to resell them, it has more value because it has a box and I have everything to make it look new. But it's just smarter. Or Home Depot, large boxes. All of them are full with products. Some are empty, some of them have stuff in them. But then on our right side of the closet, hopefully I don't show anything. These are kind of like the cooler looking ones, the more aesthetic ones, if you can say. I wanted it to look a little bit nicer. Some hoodies here, obviously. And yeah, I'll just show this part, but yeah, we got some deodorant and colognes. My little cologne collection. But yeah, that's our room tour. I hope you liked it. I don't know how I'm going to edit this video because it's going to take a long time. It's an amazing setup. I really love it. And this wouldn't be possible. And you guys are amazing. Just watching my videos, liking them. It's amazing, and I want to give it back, so that's why I have that video for the gaming setup build for the Xbox Series X or the PlayStation 5. I'm going to be giving that away no matter what. I really need to hit those like goals for that video. I just want to appreciate that and appreciate you guys and watching. Thank you guys for 3,000 subscribers once again. That's just for me to know what I'm at the beginning of this year. And I wanted to do this video before January, so that way I have a little reminder of what I had beginning and the end of the year. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.